Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today I am at the launch of Tecno Mobiles, where Tecno has launched its Phantom 9. So this is how the all new Tecno Phantom 9 looks like. A really decent looking handset with some really great premium features which have been added, like the in-display fingerprint sensor and a really amazing camera setup with macro photography. So all this coming up in a budget range makes the customer happy, and in this video we'll see a very quick look of the Tecno Phantom 9. So friends, this is the all new Tecno Phantom 9. The phone looks great, has like really nice design and build quality, very good to hold, like really good to hold. It has this really nice 3D curved design which lets you work like single-handedly on the phone, and it has this aurora kind of a design which makes it look more premium, and a nice holographic effect at the back. So the phone is decked up with triple rear camera at the back. Overall the phone has other AI features also, not just in the camera but in the power management and overall functionality of the phone. You get a lot of AI features, and the look of the phone looks stunning. And usual power and the volume rocker this side, and here you have the SIM tray slot. The bottom there is this 3.5 audio jack, mouthpiece, speaker grill, and the micro USB charging port, and there's another noise cancellation mic at the top, triple rear camera at the back. The one highlight I want to mention here is the in-display fingerprint sensor. So when a medium phone, like the medium range segments, bring an in-display fingerprint sensor, it adds a lot to the premiumness of the phone, which I really like about such brands who bring premium features in budget segment. And overall the phone does not look like a normal medium range phone. It looks quite premium. Then if we talk about the screen is huge, 6.4 inches of a full HD plus AMOLED display. Viewing angles are really nice, and brightness is superb, vibrant. Okay, I can see a little bit of bloatware though, but the touch response is really good. And there is this mini menu stuff as well. Let's talk about the other things in the phone. So as I told you, it has this full HD plus resolution, and Android 9 Pie, high OS version 5.0, and a 2.3 gigahertz octa-core MediaTek Helio P35 processor with a 3500 mAh battery. Although it would have been 4000, so that would have been a better feature for this one, because in this range nowadays we are getting a 4000 mAh battery in many phones around. And then the RAM-ROM combination is 6GB plus 128GB. That's a very good thing, that a medium segment phone coming with a 6GB plus 128GB combination, and it can also be expandable up to 256GB. We'll see the camera individually, but if we talk about the specs, there's a 32 megapixel of camera on the front, and a 16 plus 2 plus 8, that means a triple rear AI based camera at the rear. So if we understand the triple rear camera, it has a primary lens of 16 megapixel with f1.8 aperture, 5p lens, 77.3 around the angle of the primary lens. Then a depth sensor is there of 2 megapixel, which has f2.8 aperture, 3p lens, and a 63-degree angle. Then the third and the best one is the ultra wide and microsphere lens of 8 megapixel, f2.4 aperture, 6p lens, and a 120-degree angle. So the good thing about the phone is you can take up to 2.5 centimeter extreme close-up shots with the macro lens, and the phone has everything, all possible options of beauty, bouquet, AR shots, like you can create a lot of fun content as well. Then panorama, here you can clearly see the difference. So the macro mode, the wide angle, the 1x zoom and the 2x zoom. And the flash here is really amazing. It works pretty well, and you can click amazing low light photography, and has all possible options like AI beauty, AI HDR. Overall the platform is AI based, so you have a lot of scene recognition 2.0. Then the highlight of the phone is also the front camera, because I love it, because it's 32 megapixel of front camera. And the best part about the front camera is this. Yes, it has a dual LED flash at the front, so you can click amazing night shots from the front camera as well. Then front portrait, AR shots, and the wide selfie. So you get almost everything. So on the back, if we try the video mode, here you can take up to 1080p. Overall the phone looks decent. Let us check out some of the shots which I tried to click here. Like this one, this is a really nice shot, and then some detailed pictures like these. Can you see? You can really take nice pictures with the wide angle and the macro lens. This is a normal shot, and this is a wide angle shot. The selfies work really great with or without the flash, both. So it has been launched at a price range of 14,999 and will be available from 17th of July on Flipkart. So that's it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech bite from another tech launch. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Nothing Wired. Thank you and bye.